In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are a simple way to move around Gmail much faster without constantly clicking with your mouse. Before you can start using them, you need to turn them on inside your Gmail settings. I'll walk you through that process step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. When your inbox is visible, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents settings. Click on that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel slides open on the right side and gives you a few commonly used options. From this Quick Settings panel, you'll need to go a bit deeper into the full settings page. Near the top of that panel, look for the option that says See All Settings. Go ahead and click on See All Settings. This will take you to a new page where all of Gmail's configuration options are organized into different tabs. At the top of this settings page, you'll see several tabs such as General, Labels, Inbox, and others. Make sure you are on the General tab. If you're not already there, click on General. This is where most of the main Gmail preferences are kept, including language, default reply behavior, and our focus for today, keyboard shortcuts. Once you're on the General tab, scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. It may be somewhere in the middle of the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just move slowly down the page until that heading appears. In the Keyboard Shortcuts section, you'll see two main options. One to turn keyboard shortcuts off, and one to turn keyboard shortcuts on. By default, they might be turned off. To enable them, click on the option that says Keyboard Shortcuts On. This will activate a whole set of built-in shortcuts, such as pressing C to compose a new email or J and K to move through your messages. After you turn Keyboard Shortcuts on, remember to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This last step is important. If you don't save, your new setting won't take effect. Once that's saved, you can start using Gmail's keyboard shortcuts right away to speed up your everyday email tasks.